Namaste. Happy Women's Day to all. Nenu Dr. Vidya Tikku, endocrinologist, Shri Shri Holistic Hospitals. 10th of March this year was celebrated as the first National Diabetes in Pregnancy Awareness Day. Irozu nenu pregnancy lo diabetes gurinchi maatladtanu. So pregnancy lo diabetes chala common problem undi. 2 out of every 10 pregnant ladies will develop diabetes during pregnancy. First type, pregnancy mundu diabetes unnavaru kani detected avaledu. Second type, during pregnancy diabetes is detected for the first time. Idi because of pregnancy hormones. So what are the risk factors? There are certain risk factors which might put a woman at increased risk of developing diabetes in pregnancy. Us being Indians itself is a big risk factor. Other than that, if the weight is more, age more than 25 years, history of PCOD, mundu pregnancy lo, if there is diabetes or mundu pregnancy lo, big baby, these are the risk factors that increase the chance of having diabetes during pregnancy. So how do we diagnose it? So when you go to your gynecologist, at your first visit, she will check your blood sugar levels and based on that, she will tell whether you have diabetes or you are normal. Tarvata 24 to 28 weeks lo, malli oksari sugar check cheyali. 24 to 28 weeks lo, OGTT test is performed and based on OGTT, the patient is classified as normal or having gestational diabetes mellitus. So what are the complications of having gestational diabetes mellitus? So if the diabetes is diagnosed first time during pregnancy, the baby can be big in size, the water around the baby can be more. Because of that, there can be difficulty in normal delivery and there are more chances of cesarean section. Mother can develop blood pressure, high blood pressure during pregnancy. The baby can be born prematurely and there can be some respiratory lung problems to the baby. The baby's sugar might fall down after the baby is born. Again, the chances of baby developing diabetes later on in life is around 4 to 8 times and after pregnancy, the sugar values normalize for majority of the women, but around 35 to 60% of these women will again develop diabetes after 5 to 10 years. What is the treatment of gestational diabetes mellitus? The treatment is first we aim for diet and exercise. With just diet and exercise, we are able to control the sugars for around 40 to 50% of the patients. So we advise a diet which is not very high in carbohydrates, which has a lot of fiber content, and we split the food into multiple times in the day with not a large quantity of meal at any one time. Other than that, 10 to 15 minutes of walking after each meal is very important. Specifically in pregnancy, this is very important. We will advise you to check the sugars at home and we will give you cutoffs below which your sugar should be there. And based on the cutoffs, we decide whether your sugar is controlled or not. So, Women's Day Sandarbhanga, na message for all pregnant ladies. During pregnancy, కంపల్సరీగా షుగర్ చెక్ చేయండి. ఒకవేళ డయాబెటీస్ ఉన్నవారు కంపల్సరీ షుగర్ లెవెల్స్ కట్ ఆఫ్స్ బిలో మెయింటైన్ చేయండి. We call this metabolic karma. What you do during pregnancy is going to determine whether your baby will develop diabetes or not, and based on that, whether your future generations will develop diabetes or not. So if you control your sugars properly during pregnancy, you are going to save your future generations from the onset of diabetes and its complications.